Hello everybody, I'm super excited. Today I'm going to run live in-person workshop, and it's been a while. I didn't teach for more than 2 years, I think. I mean, I taught a little bit, here and there, like small groups of people, but today I'm going to have 20 people, and I have beautiful assistant with me, Maya. We are having about 4 or 5 kids about her age, and Maya is going to help them out. So this is so cool. So we arrived, and first, like maybe half an hour left made the class. So exploring a place. It's a nice place. There's a swimming pool too, and I want to show you this fantastic and very inspiring flowers, the birds of paradise. They are nicely lit, and that's how they're so beautiful. It went really smooth, really nice. I was in my element. I didn't teach for so long. I know Maya is tired. Where is Maya? She's right there. Oh yeah, Maya. It was fantastic. I was so happy to see how people get involved, with creative process. People that never had like experience in arts, and how suddenly I saw, this light in their eyes, and this creative energy was just there, and I mean, of course I cannot be objective because I'm an instructor, but everybody seemed so happy. It was really sweet, very colorful, very sparkling class, very nice.